Alright, to ring said doorbell. This is a Big Daddy Tech Support edition. We're shadowing the great Steven Seagal lookalike.
Big C problems, man.
Big Daddy Tech Support.
I mean, it feels like it is. Is Anna here somewhere?
Alright, go. Jesus.
Round up the usual suspects. You know what they are. The meter, the gauges, the tools.
I know.
I'm going to check in.
God, I was expecting him to actually be a part of this, but he sucks. Alright, everybody.
Yeah, I'm not
I'm trying to do this with one hand. Bear with me, everybody. Alright. Welcome to hell. Check this out. Look at his HVAC truck. Look at this thing, dude. Look at it. Almost got smashed by torches. R22. Look, there's 410. I bet there's 134A. Yeah, can you see it in there? It's in there somewhere. This is what I got to deal with today. We're about to go fix a unit. Let's see if we can find his tools. Here we go. There we go. That's how you do that. James, I swear to God, dude. Just get rid of that shit. There we go. Yeah, that's gonna be funny. So I just touch one thing, everything just falls out. Oh yeah, this is insane. Alright. I've got these. I don't see why you don't sit like an 11 in one. Dude, people are gonna love this. Your truck is a disgrace.
No, it's not. That's the money maker right there.
Well, I don't have the meter. Get your meter. Get the meter, James. Oh, we need the meter. See how that man handles that truck. You want the gauges? Oh my God. See how hard that was? All I did was get the tool back. Here we go. Let's go on up. Apparently a lot of HVAC people forget that there is a ventilation in HVAC, so that's what the point he's trying to make.
This right here, this is ventilation too.
All right, show us what you got, man.
Okay, bring that camera over here, look at this. And the reason we received this call is because people are saying that they're not comfortable in the dining room, and somebody from the management has come up here and looked at this, and they're seeing this reading right here. Alarm 76, humidity sensor A91. Right here is where the humidity sensor is supposed to be hooked up. As far as I can tell, there's not even a humidity sensor on here. We're going to look for it. And I don't see how a humidity sensor could possibly cause us to not be cooling. Yeah, those are like extra parts and accessories. Presently, both these compressors are going full blast. 10-ton package unit that is obviously cooling quite well. Okay, we want to find out if we got all of our compressors running. Right here's 30 tons between these three units. 516.
James, you make screwdrivers look really small. Look at that. It looks like a miniature 5/16.
Yep.
It's a big man, everybody. It's a big man. Okay, everybody, this will void the warranty.
This will absolutely void the warranty on your Malco screw nut driver.
Yep, warranty voided.
But at the moment, it's saving my helper a trip down to the truck to get the drill. Which is inevitable anyway. You're going to be going there before it's over with. We're going to see if both these pumps are running.
Look at there.
They're both cooling. That one's obviously overcharged. It's sweating like a pumpkin.
What's the problem here? So we really don't know which one's not cooling?
These are all three for the front dining room.
And it's not cooling right.
They're complaining about being hot in the evening. Both of these compressors are running. We have all of this equipment is running. Here.
What is that?
That is a highly significant volume of air going in. Possibly the humidity sensor is telling it that it wants more outside air.
It is a humiditrol. I mean, look at that. It's advertising it right there.
Humiditrol. It's totally making us like idiots. Yeah, this is the HVAC trade. So this right here, this is ventilation. And it's also important to cooling this building. If we look down here, this 3 horsepower motor that is obviously toast, and this huge squirrel cage fan is supposed to be putting air into the building. So we go and look at this right over here.
Oh my God, almost tripped.
Now this relief damper right here, we can pull on it and see there's a huge negative pressure on this building. More than likely, this is just my theory at this moment, is that means that machine right there, having failed, the exhaust hood over the equipment in the kitchen is sucking all the cool air out of the building, and then late afternoon it doesn't get too warm. People are uncomfortable because it's not just a building, it's a machine.
All right. So, let us investigate said mystery. HVAC rookie out. It's actually pretty cool. Okay. Where are we? There we are. See that?
I saw it.
Oh, right there.
I saw it.
Can I get through here?
Right here, it's supposed to be blowing out right here. See that?
Yeah, is that giant exhaust motor? I mean, yeah, intake. What would you call it?
This is the makeup
Equalizer?
air.
Makeup air. Okay, that's it.
There ain't nothing coming out right there.
All right.
What we're going to do is see how much air we got coming through the doorway right here.
Oh! I swear I'm going to get hurt today
Feel that cool air coming through
before it's all over with. What?
Feel that?
Yes, I
Stand right
do.
here. Feel this cold air coming this way.
Everybody, do y'all feel that?
They don't feel that.
Y'all don't feel that? I can feel it.
It feels bad. It feels nice here, huh?
I can feel it.
What, you building hot?
And I'm
Cool
hot.
air is coming through here and going out.
Very hot. Okay. What do you got, 78?
It's pretty warm, actually.
Okay. 78, it's pretty hot. Feels cool to me though, it's a million degrees out there.
We just learned that a building is not just a shelter, it's a machine.
Okay, explain.
That the V in HVAC is just as important as the AC.
Nobody cares about the fucking H.
Nobody cares about the V.
The
because,
H.
Oh,
You left the H out.
Yeah, not in June in South Louisiana, nobody cares about the H. In fact, even on a restaurant, the H is like pretty much redundant year round. All right, let's go somewhere and eat.
Let's roll. It'll calibrate.
Record. Okay. All right. Okay, that is one giant hunk of wasabi. It's the wasabi maniac, man.
I'm already pretty overwhelmed with wasabi, but we're gonna do a massive chunk of wasabi here
Wasabi maniac.
for all my fans.
That's it. HVAC.
Oh my God!
Rookie.
Here it goes. Look at me. Here we go. Here we go. Straight wasabi. Oh, dude. It hurts so bad. Okay, it's gone. It's gone, dude. That's how fast it goes away.
The last piece of your
Yeah.
sushi.
A little bit of that.
Is that before you were?
Dunk that sucker in there. Really good like that.
That's enough of that stupid shit.